we're gonna be reviewing Bluebird thinly cut potato chips. Adam, would you do the honors of trying a potato chip?
I'll tell you what, that tastes like a potato chip for sure.
We're gonna have burger rings. Here's a burger ring. It's indisputably a ring. It's called a ring. I've just destroyed it.
You just destroyed it? Okay.
Oh, it's weird.
Okay.
I kind of like it.
New Zealand's very best and sometimes very worst snacks, and these are baked oaty slices.
See, the thing is, I don't know if this is like iconic or popular or anything. We just found it. This is what annoys me about those, like, oh, we're trying American snacks, and it's just like stuff I've never seen before. Yeah. So I don't know.
This might be nothing. These are Afghan flavored. I don't really know what that means, but it seems to have pictures of walnuts and chocolate and some other things that I can't figure out what they are.
It's oaty.
How's it going?
I just don't like wine that much.
Welcome to the Snack Zone. It's a show within a show where we review New Zealand's worst and best foods. It's maybe their most iconic. We actually don't really know.
Today, we're gonna be reviewing Wheat Bix, this very busted up box of Wheat Bix that we've been traveling with this entire time but have not eaten from yet.
Wheat Bix is like wheat thins, but if they were thick. I mean, it pretty much tastes like nothing.
This is bad.
It's a show within a show where we review Japan's best and worst foods. Today we'll be trying torn egg. Oh, it's bizarrely sweet.
It actually tastes really bad. I don't know why I keep getting this. I don't know. I don't like Starbucks. That's a perfectly serviceable pizza. Okay.
Cheers.
Prost. Why does it taste like this? Today, we're gonna be having some sour glowwormchen. It tastes like I'm eating a real animal. On a snack zone, we are gonna be eating some cracker.
It's like Cracker Jack, but it's chill. That's done.
And then your ass Today on the Snack Zone, we're eating a Chinese pancake. Now, what this is it's a pancake with ham in it. Delicious.
I hope they get here soon. I want some lunch. Also.